Welcome to our guide on Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network for financial services. This document offers a practical framework for reducing wide area network downtime, replacing multi-protocol label switching, protecting personally identifiable information, and ensuring Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule readiness. Ideal for bank service firms, title companies, mortgage lenders, insurance companies, and financial technology platforms seeking secure, resilient network infrastructure. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network offers a cost-effective, secure solution for financial services, replacing expensive multi-protocol label switching circuits. It ensures 99.99% uptime, personally identifiable information network segmentation, and compliance with Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule. BTI Communications Group provides a turnkey deployment with ongoing management, ensuring reduced costs and enhanced security for multi-site operations. This guide targets operations leaders, IT directors, and compliance officers at non-bank financial institutions. Key takeaways include Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN's cost-effective, secure alternative to multi-protocol label switching, and its alignment with Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule requirements. BTI Communications Group offers a comprehensive, fixed-price solution with local support in California, Arizona, and Illinois, ensuring robust compliance and operational efficiency. Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN is a cloud-managed platform, replacing MPLS circuits with dual WAN broadband, reducing WAN costs by 40 to 70%. It ensures 99.99% uptime, VLAN-based PII segmentation, and a robust security stack. BTI Communications Group offers a fixed-price turnkey solution with compliance support and 24/7 managed services in California, Arizona, and Illinois. Cisco Meraki MXSDWAN addresses operational, security, and compliance challenges in financial services. For mortgage lenders, it isolates loan systems with VLAN-based personally identifiable information segmentation. Insurance agencies benefit from centralized security policies. Wealth management firms use advanced encryption standard 256 Auto Virtual Private Network for secure data transit. Tax firms gain personally identifiable information segmentation, and financial technology platforms achieve rapid, consistent site rollout with zero-touch deployment. Financial services networks face unprecedented risks. Downtime costs exceed $5,600 per minute, and unsegmented networks expose personally identifiable information to ransomware. The Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule is now enforced. BTI Communications Group, a Cisco Meraki partner, offers a comprehensive solution with software-defined wide area network, firewall, and personally identifiable information segmentation, achieving 99.99% uptime and reducing wide area network costs by 40 to 70%. Legacy networks in financial services are outdated, unable to meet today's regulatory and operational demands. MPLS circuits, once suitable, now struggle with cloud platforms, personally identifiable information handling, and financial technology integrations. This creates significant risks, including costly downtime and compliance challenges. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network, deployed by BTI Communications Group, addresses these issues with dual wide area network failover and enhanced security features. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network transforms financial services networks by integrating software-defined wide area network, firewall, intrusion prevention, and cloud management in one appliance. Zero-touch deployment and centralized dashboards simplify management. Auto Virtual Private Network ensures secure encrypted connectivity. Virtual Local Area network-based segmentation protects personally identifiable information and core systems, aligning with Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule and state privacy laws, enhancing compliance readiness from day one. In financial services, network security is crucial for operational continuity and compliance. Cisco Meraki MX offers a layered security architecture with integrated software-defined wide area network, featuring next-generation firewall, intrusion detection system/intrusion prevention system, advanced malware protection, uniform resource locator filtering, and audit logging. These capabilities ensure consistent security across all sites, protecting sensitive data and supporting regulatory requirements. The Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule mandates enforceable technical requirements for non-bank financial institutions. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network helps align network controls with these requirements, supporting compliance across various financial services. BTI Communications Group provides a compliance documentation package, ensuring readiness for Federal Trade Commission examinations and reducing manual compliance burdens while enhancing security posture. The Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule mandates a comprehensive information security program for non-bank financial institutions. Key requirements include assigning a qualified individual, conducting risk assessments, implementing access controls, and ensuring data encryption. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network supports these through centralized monitoring, traffic analytics, virtual local area network segmentation, and advanced encryption standard 256 encryption. BTI offers a no-cost readiness assessment to identify compliance gaps. Financial services leaders transitioning to Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network report significant improvements, reduced wide area network costs by 61%, enhanced network uptime to 99.96%, and complete Federal Trade Commission compliance. Case studies show zero personally identifiable information incidents and substantial cost savings. BTI Communications Group ensures seamless deployment and management, delivering robust security and operational efficiency. Financial services firms can significantly reduce costs by replacing multi-protocol label switching with Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network. Monthly costs drop, and provisioning time decreases from 60 to 120 days to 1 to 5 days. Meraki MX offers automatic failover, built-in security, centralized compliance logging, and a single cloud dashboard, making it a superior choice. Financial services organizations face a crucial decision: replace legacy multi-protocol label switching with Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network. The comparison is clear. Meraki offers 40 to 70% lower costs, automatic failover, superior cloud performance, integrated security, and rapid deployment. BTI provides centralized management and accountability, ensuring compliance and operational efficiency. BTI Communications Group excels in deploying Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN for financial services, offering expertise in personally identifiable information network architecture and compliance. With 24/7 Security Operations Center, Security Information and Event Management, and Network Operations Center integration, local on-site teams, and discounted fixed-price hardware, BTI ensures seamless network transformation. Their predictable monthly fee covers comprehensive support and compliance integration. BTI Communications Group offers 3 flexible delivery models for financial services: fully managed IT, co-managed IT, and fully managed cybersecurity and compliance. Each model works well with Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN, ensuring consistent engineering standards, full SIEM and SOC logging and response, and Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule readiness. Choose the model that aligns with your IT structure and scale as your needs evolve. BTI Communications Group, a Cisco Meraki authorized partner, excels in modernizing financial services infrastructure. With local teams in California, Arizona, and Illinois, BTI offers fixed-price engagements covering design, procurement, installation, and support. As a single accountable partner, BTI integrates information technology, security, and compliance, ensuring seamless operations and comprehensive documentation for audit readiness. BTI Communications Group's deployment methodology for Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network in financial services is a precision operation. It involves a phased approach: discovery, architecture design, hardware staging, phased deployment, security validation, and network operations center onboarding. This ensures clean site go live, personally identifiable information protection, and compliance documentation, minimizing deployment risks and operational disruptions. The Cisco Meraki MX platform offers unparalleled network visibility and proactive management. BTI's Network Operations Center monitors your network 24/7, resolving issues before they impact operations. Continuous compliance maintenance ensures readiness for Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule and state privacy laws. Expect 99.97% plus uptime with dual wide area network failover and comprehensive monitoring, setting a new standard for financial services resilience. Take action now to secure your financial services network. Contact BTI Communications Group for a no-cost infrastructure assessment. Understand your current risks and explore options for modernization with Cisco Meraki MX, software-defined wide area network. Ensure compliance and protect personally identifiable information with expert guidance. Call 8004-357-284 or visit btigroup.com to schedule your assessment today. Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN is a cloud-managed platform integrating software-defined wide area network, firewall, and security features, replacing costly multi-protocol label switching circuits. It reduces wide area network costs by 40 to 70% and enhances network reliability with dual wide area network failover. It supports Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule, compliance with encryption, segmentation, and logging, making it ideal for financial services, mortgage lenders, and insurance firms. Plan your Meraki MX SD-WAN modernization with BTI Communications Group. Schedule a no-cost readiness assessment to evaluate your network environment. BTI offers a fixed-price modernization path, ensuring compliance and efficiency. Contact BTI at 8004-357-284 or info@btigroup.com for priority scheduling and a complimentary Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule gap analysis. BTI Communications Group specializes in financial services, network infrastructure, and security, offering fixed-price, fully managed Cisco Meraki MX SD-WAN transformations. Our expertise in personally identifiable information data flow, payment processing architecture, and Federal Trade Commission Safeguards Rule compliance ensures reliable long-term partnerships with financial organizations across California, Arizona, and Illinois. We prioritize budget certainty and operational excellence in every engagement.